The following video was produced by the Industry Connection.
When your facility has been impacted by non-functioning or malfunctioning heat exchangers, CleanCo Systems is the industry's first choice to diagnose the problem, define the heat exchanger repair that is needed, then fix, refurbish, restore, and replace the necessary components in order to return the equipment to service. CleanCo Systems' state-of-the-art, environmentally green heat exchanger cleaning and repair facility will service and clean many models of heat exchanger equipment, including plate and frame models. When complete, we follow up with thorough testing and inspection with industry-approved technicians and equipment. Our bottom line is flawless service, competitive pricing, rapid response, and uncompromising safety. For experienced and safe heat exchanger repair and the fastest possible return to service, call 1-866-922-2626 now for a free estimate of your project. Our emergency hotline number is 713-304-4148.